me introduce myself. My name is Giri Aryadi from 12 Science 2. I will try to present explanation and examples of explanation text in detail and complete. I hope my explanation about explanation text below can be useful for all of the audience. Beforehand, how are you guys? Hopefully well and continue to be eager to learn. Even though there is a pandemic like this that is boring, hopefully you will keep up the spirit, okay? I am sure all have been familiar with the explanation because in the world of education and even in daily life, you usually meet explanation, maybe from our teacher, our parents, even our friends. For example, do you ever explain something to your friends? When your friends ask how is cooking rice or how is do the task or anything, then you explain to your friends about it. These explanations are one of example of explanation text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation text is a text that explains why an event occurred or a process that explains the form of a phenomenon. An explanation comes from question related to why and how an event could occur. Generic structure of explanation text. Text explanation have three structures that build to be one whole. Structure namely, number one, general statement. General statement is content statement, general about the topic to be explained. Number two, order of cause and effect. Order of cause and effect is contains details of the explanation of the process of occurrence which is presented in sequence from the earliest to the last. Number three, interpretation. Interpretation is contents about conclusion about topic that has been explained. Purpose of explanation text. The purpose of explanation text is to explain the process of forming an event or phenomenon in sequence. Tell process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. To explain how or why something happens. According to Mark Anderson and Kathy Anderson says that the explanation text type is often used to tell how and why things phenomena occur in nature. Language features of explanation text. Explanation text generally has the following language characteristic. Number one, the using of simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to state general truth, habit or habitual action, or event that are happening at this time like present. Number two, the using action verbs. The using action verbs are verbs that indicate in action. Number three, the using of passive voice. Passive voice is a form of sentences where the subject of the sentences takes action, unlike active voice which focuses on the party doing in the action. Number four, the using of noun phrases. Noun phrases are phrases related to nouns. Number five, the using of technical terms. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. I am sorry if there is an error in the pronunciation or meaning because all humans are not free from mistakes. From once again, thank you. As a greeting bye, I'll give a small quote motivation. Those who want to stop learning and study will become owners of the past, but those who continue to study hard and will become owner of the future. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.